Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of pasta salad. Firstly, we will boil pasta. In a boiling water, add half tablespoon of salt and then add pasta. Let it boil until it becomes soft. One bowl of boiled pasta, half bowl of corn, 1 bowl of chickpeas, 1 bowl of shredded carrot, half bowl of green bell pepper, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now take a bowl and add chickpeas, add green bell pepper, add carrot, add corn, add pasta, add lemon juice, add salt and black pepper and mix it well. Now mix mayonnaise and yogurt. Now add it on the salad. Now give it a good mix. As you can see, pasta salad is ready. Now serve it in a bowl and garnish with coriander. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.